A brand new YouTube channel just exploded to 2.84 million subscribers in 1 month, with only 26 videos. And according to Social Blade, it's pulling in anywhere from $14,000 to $230,000 per month. That's up to $2.8 million per year. Sounds crazy, right? But wait, before you think this is just another too good to be true scheme, let me make one thing clear. I'm not here to show you something you can't monetize like those fake gurus. I believe that if you put in the work with the right formula, you can absolutely succeed too. This niche is called Rabbit's Journey, a faceless storytelling format that keeps viewers hooked with AI-generated videos and simple storytelling. And the best part? You don't need to show your face or have a big budget. This is just the beginning. If you're ready to take the next step and see how this all unfolds, stay tuned, because I'll be diving deeper into how you can make this work for yourself. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Welcome to Income X AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate the perfect prompt for AI, and more importantly, how to use it to get the results you want. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can start applying this right away. If you're looking for all the details, you'll find everything you need in the Google Doc linked below. It's packed with resources to help you get started. The prompt I'm about to share with you is key to everything. Once you understand how to use it, everything else becomes easy. You'll even be able to take this prompt and turn it into something completely new. Because flexibility is the key to success. By the end of this video, I'll also share tricks on how to find creative, never-before-seen ideas that will set you apart. That's why I'm showing you how to generate a prompt like this. It gives you full control over your content, not just the same recycled ideas that YouTube will eventually not monetizing your videos. Here's how to use this prompt to bring your story to life. Start by giving your story a title. It's optional, but helps set the scene. Next, describe your main characters, their appearance, personality, and any special traits. Then define your setting. Where does the story take place? A forest, a city, or somewhere else? Break the story into scenes. List the key moments and what happens in each. For each scene, provide image requests. Describe what's happening, who's involved, the background, and the mood. You can even specify the camera angle, like close-ups or wide shots. And don't forget, you have the freedom to customize everything. Change the characters, settings, or the tone to fit your vision. This prompt is your guide to creating a detailed story with amazing visuals. So get creative and bring your ideas to life. Step 1. Generate the prompts. Alright, let's dive into the first step, generating prompts. First, you need to go to ChatGPT or any AI chat tool you prefer, like DeepSeek or Qwen. Personally, for this tutorial, I'm using my favorite, ChatGPT. Now, head over to the Google Doc linked below, where you'll find prompt 1. Copy that and paste it into ChatGPT. Then copy prompt 2 and paste that into the same chat. ChatGPT gives us the prompt for each scene exactly as we requested. For prompt 3, we're going to use it to turn each shot in your scenes into images. I'll walk you through how to use it effectively so you can bring your ideas to life visually. Step 2. Generate the images. Now that we have our scene-by-scene prompts from ChatGPT, let's move on to step 2, generating the images. First, go to leonardo.ai. You'll find all the links in the Google Doc below. If you haven't already, create an account. It's quick and free. Every day, Leonardo AI gives you 150 free credits, so you can generate images without spending anything. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. In the model selection, choose Phoenix 1 and make sure you are in classic mode. For style, select creative, and for contrast, set it to high to make the images more detailed and vibrant. Next, go to Image Dimensions, click on More, and choose 9:16, which is the perfect format for short videos. Once everything is set, click Generate and let Leonardo AI bring your scene to life. Once your images are ready, go through them, select the best ones, and click Download. If you want to explore other tools, you can try PicLumen, which is totally free and doesn't require credits. Just paste your prompt, generate your images, and download them instantly. Another option is Crea.ai. To use it, create an account, select Generate Image, paste your prompt, choose the 9:16 ratio, and click Generate. Keep in mind that Crea.ai has limitations on how many images you can generate daily. Once your images are ready, go through them, select the best ones, and click Download. For an unlimited option, you can use ImageFX, which is completely free and allows you to generate as many images as you want. Once your images are ready, go through them, select the best ones, and click Download. However, it may not be available in some countries. I'm giving you multiple choices, so you can pick the best tool that works for you. Now that we have our images, we're ready for the next step. Step 3. Animation the images. Now that we have our images ready, it's time to animate them. We'll be using Hailuo AI and Pixverse for this step. Let's start with Hailuo AI. Go to their website, link in the Google Doc below, and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you can upload your image from here and paste the scene prompt in the provided field. Choose the animation style you prefer, adjust any settings if needed, and then click Generate to animate your image. Keep in mind, Hailuo AI allows you to generate up to 3 videos per day, but the process can be a bit slower. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save your animated video. Next, head to Pixverse. Create an account if you haven't already, upload your image, and paste the scene prompt. Choose the animation style, adjust the settings if necessary, and click Generate when you're ready. Pixverse also allows you to generate up to 3 videos per day, but it's much faster compared to Hailuo AI and is considered a strong competitor for it. Both Hailuo AI and Pixverse are great tools for adding animation to your images, so choose the one that fits your needs. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save your animated video. Once your animation is ready, we can move on to the next step. Step 4. CapCut edit videos. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Upload your animated video and arrange the clips to fit your story. Next, insert a sneak peek into your story to give your viewers a taste of what's to come. You can do this by selecting a key moment from your video and placing it at the beginning of the timeline. After arranging your clips, add some transitions to make the movement between scenes smoother and more dynamic. CapCut has a ton of cool transition effects, so feel free to explore and pick the ones that fit your vibe. Now let's add some music to set the tone. You can get free, copyright-free music from places like YouTube Audio Library, Pixabay, or directly from CapCut itself. In CapCut, click on Audio and search for the music you want. If you see the commercial label, that means it's only allowed for TikTok use. If it says all platforms, you're good to use it on YouTube too. For sound effects, search for the right ones based on your scenes. Use the search bar to find sound effects that match the vibe of your video. Then add them to your timeline. Once everything's in place and you're happy with the result, click Export to save your edited video. Now you're ready to share your work. These videos, you can upload them on social media. You can also earn these profits if you manage to have the ability to create videos like these, and even more. You'll be able to make videos for companies, stores, or individuals who will ask you for similar content to create social media posts. This could lead to job opportunities, and of course, these kinds of projects are usually well paid. You can also be good at making images similar to these specific images, and you could create magazines, print photos, and sell them, whether online, print on demand, or however you choose. There are so many ideas you can work with. Now, regarding the important question, are these videos acceptable on YouTube? Honestly, they should be acceptable on YouTube. Why? Because YouTube now has an option when uploading videos where it asks whether the video is AI generated or not. You can say, yes, it's AI generated. I reached out to YouTube's support team and asked them if AI generated videos are accepted and if they can make money. They told me that yes, they are accepted, but they get rejected in cases where the content is repetitive, not adding anything new, or if the content has no real value, meaning no one is likely to watch it. So you need to create content that is engaging, valuable, and something that can reach people with an audience. In this case, rest assured your content will be accepted. And with that, I've reached the end of today's video. I hope you found it useful. See you in the next video.